Hello to all of you out there. This is Pabel A Saunders coming to you again from the beautiful islands of the Bahamas. Alright, I know we've been having a lot of talks about Forex trading, alright, and a lot of people has been, I had a webinar, I had, some real top earners out of LA on that webinar. They did a great explanation of everything, and those that were on there, they were really fired up. They liked the idea of it, and I'm still working with it. All right, so I'm running a campaign called Let's Learn Forex Together. All right, so this is gonna be something where as many people start to learn how to build more of their portfolio incomes, and you might wonder why I focus on this. I've been looking at many ways of bringing money from the outside into a country. All right, because many countries suffer because of the fact of circulation of that money in that area, and a lot of time there is not enough income still coming back in, and there's not enough jobs within the country. All right, and this is happening in many areas. So the thing about it is we have to start looking outside, and we got to use the means of what we have. The internet is a means to connect the world. All right, and if we're going to be closed-minded to it, many people are going to miss out, because we're not being realistic to the facts that times are changing, things are changing, everything is changing, and you have to be able to go with the times. Look at it, people. We went from the 8-track, then you went into records. As the records came in, the 8-tracks went out. That company had to shut down. When the CDs came in, record companies had to shut down, so CDs had to roll in. Then you found that downloadable music came into effect, and slowly but surely people stopped using CDs. You have to see this happens with everything, and time changes. Right now people are waiting for the same old jobs to come back. They're not. Alright, there's gonna be a real rift and change in time as we go along. As you can see, the technology age is rolling in really strong, and as that time comes in, a lot of jobs is gonna be gone because technology is gonna be covering those areas. Look at it. Amazon is now in the process of creating drones to deliver all their packages, and if packages delivery become a part of, whereas a drone delivers packages, then those persons that delivered packages is not gonna have a job anymore, and you're gonna have many areas that is gonna be covered like this. Food is gonna be prepared by machines, or prepared by productions of machine usage and technology. Many things are gonna change down that area, so you have to be able to figure out how to adjust to the changing of times, because the way of life and the way that you make an income is definitely going to change. On which side of it you're gonna end up on depends on how you're able to evolve with the time. Many people try to stay in the position that they were in as far as where time used to be, and they're not keeping up with where time is going. So what they try to do is they try to fight and be a resistance against it, instead of understanding that the only person is going to suffer from that position of understanding is them, because of the fact that if you don't decide to make sense of what's happening around you, and you want to be a resistance against the natural factor of the order of life, then the only person that is going to suffer from that is the person that refuses to see what exactly is happening and be realistic with the facts. All right, so the thing about it is Forex trading is major. All right, it's a major market. It's actually the biggest market on the exchange. It's a $5 trillion a day market. All right, the New York Stock Exchange is only 2.2 billion. All right, so the thing about it is Forex is global. Anywhere in the world you are, you can trade Forex, because it's the exchange of currency. So the thing is I'm definitely working harder to get more information to everyone out there so they can get an understanding on how it works. So if you are interested in learning more on how it works, then I would like you to send me a friend request here on Facebook, and I will be having an update of webinars that will continuously give you more information from others that are in the business, and also myself as I grow more and more into it. Alright, so I thank you all again. This is Pabel A Saunders coming to you from the beautiful islands of the Bahamas, and if you found any value from this, I'd like you to like, share, and comment below. Thank you.